books you read and when you pick them up, what is that one particular book or two books that has really defined your personality, change your leadership style, give you new dimensions, or create some long-lasting impact on you? How do you see, sir, juggling these so many balls and without hitting each other and balancing a way and finding the way out?
You know, जब भी मैं वो इसकी फ्रेंच प्रीफेस लिखूंगा, I will actually say 5 years after that. You know, I thought a lot about the choice of words to describe, because I was trying in one sentence to describe, in a way, our total policy. I still think the sentence, if you ask me, would you say it again? I would say yes. I would say it again but I would also say each one has become more complicated in 5 years. Engaging America has become more complicated. You all know why. Managing China has become complicated. Reassuring Russia became complicated because, you know, Ukraine war, the pressure on us to move away from Russia. Then I had, you know, bringing Japan into play, क्योंकि वो अपने speed पे चलते हैं, so we want, you know, we are trying to make them move faster. And we actually today, you know, if you look, for us, Europe is one very important partner with whom we need to make more effort. And then when you come to the neighborhood, you know, we have today to think the neighbors we have, they are smaller than us, that every one of them is linked to us. उनके यहाँ भी पॉलिटिक्स होती है, ऊपर नीचे जाते हैं, कभी हमारी प्रशंसा करते हैं, कभी आलोचना करते हैं, because we are actually an issue in their politics also. So how do you, you know, you can say, knowing it will go up and down, how do you make sure this relationship is as steady as possible? That is a strategy.